Hello! In this tutorial, I will build on the Adding Loops and Connecting Components tutorial and review the edit dialogs for loops and system components. The main purpose of a loop edit dialog is to enable you to modify the loop character.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.